The most prettiest things in a human bodies are eyes. Eyes are the most attractive parts. It express all our emotion by not uttering a single word. People's mood swings every second, whether we are in happy or sad mood, angry or calm mood, or even in a day full of stress and ups and downs. Just look at the enormous and beautiful sky. You will be just relaxed and affectionate to it. Can you guess what is the most precious thing that a person loves, which he or she can never hate? Yes, that's mirror. Mirror is the only thing that a person loves the most. Mirrors are exactly what it is. So let's get started by keeping all this in mind. I have one question to all the viewers, that is the size of our eyeball changes or not? Some will say yes, some will say no. Let me clear your confusion. The answer is yes. The size of our eyeball changes from our birth to death. When we are born, our eyes about 2/3 smaller than they will be when we reach adulthood. Now the question arises that in what outlay it changes its size. Our eyes grow over our lifetime, especially during the first 2 years of our life and during puberty when we are teenagers. For the rest of our life, our eyes continue to undergo different changes. Have you ever wondered that why the sky appears blue to us? Why not green or any other color? This is because the scattering of light, it is the phenomena that cause the sky to appear blue. Fine dust in the Earth's atmosphere scatters the sunlight. Out of all the constituent colors of sunlight, blue color is scattered the most. Thus the sky appears blue to us. Can anyone tell me what is the color of a mirror? You all must be guessing white, right? But no. The color of mirror is not white. Human can differentiate 10 million different colors. But it's hard to imagine the mirror is not white or silver. It's actually the color of whatever is reflected onto it. The perfect mirror reflects all image in the exact opposite direction and distance. So the color of the mirror would be kind of a smart white. But we live in a real world where there is no perfect mirror, just like the human beings. Every real mirror absorbs a very tiny amount of light. In particular, it best reflects light within the 510 nanometer range, which is a spectrum of visible green light. So technically, your mirror is titty green. Hope you enjoyed the video, so hit the like button and must share it. The links of our social media platforms are given in the description. Check out them once. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.